The vocabulary word we are exploring now is hiccup. Hiccup. Have you ever suddenly made a funny little sound that you couldn't control? That's called a hiccup. It happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly tightens. The word hiccup describes that involuntary sound and the small spasm causing it. People often get hiccups after eating or drinking too fast. Let's look into its meaning, examples, and a short story to understand it better. Meaning of hiccup. A hiccup is an involuntary, sudden contraction of the diaphragm causing a quick, repeated sound, often temporary and harmless. Examples: she got the hiccups after drinking cold water too quickly. His hiccups made everyone in the room laugh. The baby had a hiccup and smiled right afterward. Short story. Tom was nervously waiting to give his speech at school. Suddenly, a loud hiccup escaped from him, making the whole room giggle. Embarrassed but smiling, he took a deep breath and continued speaking. His hiccup turned into a funny moment that broke the tension. Afterward, his friends teased him gently, but Tom was happy his hiccups helped lighten the mood. It reminded him that sometimes small, unexpected things can make big moments more memorable.